Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your blockchain.com account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the blockchain app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you've already created your account and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to delete your blockchain.com account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. And once you're in the settings, scroll down to the bottom. And at the bottom, here you can see danger zone section. You'll see the delete account option over here. So in order to delete your account, you can tap on it. At the bottom, you can see done button. Tap on it. Now you'll need to provide a confirmation in order to delete your account. Here you have to type delete my account all in capital letters to confirm. So tap on this text field and type in delete my account. And once you write that, tap on this delete account button at the bottom. And there you go. You've successfully deleted the blockchain.com account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.